I've seen these for a while, but I found an app that I love for it. You can take an old phone, iPhone or Android, and you can set it up as a security camera. And this one supports a lot of different features. So stick around and I'll show you more. All right, so check this out. Now this is on Google Play. Here's on the Apple Store. Alfred Home Security Camera. And the cool thing about this is you install it on your old phone as well as your current phone. You sign in with an account. I signed in with my Google accounts. And any old phone that you install this on now becomes a webcam. It records automatically. It even saves it on a cloud. And you can see it even from your computer. So for right here, we can actually see the front camera. Now the resolution is pretty low on this one. It's actually because that window is pretty foggy right now. I need to replace that window. My garage one fell down, so obviously you want to put it, maybe tape it or hold it up. But you install it and it just works. And the cool thing is it will record when there's motion. If you pay for the upgraded version, it does give you higher viewing, like you can see it at a higher resolution. You can zoom, you can record longer videos. It's really cool. I'm not paying for it. I'm just using it as is. It's got some really nice features. If we go in here, I'll show you some of them. If we click the settings, you can change the name. You can enable. Now, what would this be enabling? I would imagine just seeing it on our menu. You can share that camera with other people. So other people will be able to look. Detects motion and records video automatically. So if it sees motion, it records it, which is really cool. Now, obviously, my camera facing the road, I don't want that happening because then it's going to be recording all the time. And then there's a low light filter. So let me show you what that would look like. If we're clicking here and say it's nighttime and we can't see very well, we want to see. It will do this low light filter thing that is not working because it's so bright. But in my garage one, it definitely worked a little bit better. A really cool thing is you can press the siren and it makes some loud noises to allow people to know, hey, I'm here. If you were using it as like a baby camera, you can actually talk into it. It doesn't have an option here, but it does have the option on the app. You can talk into it and they'd hear you. You can turn on the flashlight, so you'll see it bounce off the window probably. Yep. There you go. It's bouncing off the window. You can turn out the flashlight, say it's nighttime. We can rotate this image. Maybe your camera is rotated differently. You can record and take pictures. It's very cool. So this is Alfred Home Security Camera. It is free to download. Great way, great use for old phones. The one in the garage, I am also using it as to play music. So I can go in there and I can say, hey Google, play Pandora, and it'll play Pandora on either obviously the phone or on some speakers that I have out there. So it's sort of dual purpose. It's a security camera and a media player for my garage. So hope you learned something. Hopefully that can help. See ya. Thanks for checking out STEM with Mr. Duda. Please like this video and subscribe. You can also set the bell to notify you when I make new videos. That really motivates me to continue posting these things online and gets you content that you're interested in. A lot of times I will link a playlist. Maybe one just showed up here. I might also link a video. It might show up right about here. And sometimes YouTube decides what video is best for you, but sometimes I assign one. So thank you so much for checking me out and have a great day, everybody.